As you can see, the sun is shining, and I just gave myself a little trim to get rid of the dry ends after winter. So I think it's time to make my hair summer ready now. And I do that with platinum, so come with me.
To get the moisture back into your curls, you need to open the hair cuticle. The warm water and the Design Essentials Platinum Deep Moisturizing Shampoo will do this. With an open hair cuticle, you can truly moisturize dry hair from the inside out. Now that the hair shaft is open, it is time to moisturize my curls and smooth the hair cuticle with the Design Essentials Platinum Ultra Moisturizing Mask. You can distribute it through your hair while you finger detangle, but to make sure the mask will coat all my strands, I really love to use my diamond brush. And now I let the mask penetrate for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I will rinse it. Now that I rinsed out the mask, I divide my hair in 2 sections so I can apply the styling products more easily. I lock in moisture with the Design Essentials Platinum Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, and it is very moisturizing, but even though I use a good amount, it still gives me light and bouncy results, and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. And again, I use my diamond brush to make sure the leave-in moisturized every strand. For definition and hold, I use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Divining Cream Gel. Well, that is a mouthful, but since it is a creamy gel, I get the benefits of the moisture delivered by a cream and the hold and the definition from a gel, without getting a hard cast or weighing down my curls. Again, for a really great definition, I use my diamond brush. But you can use a white tooth comb or another brush or even your fingers if you don't own one. I go back in with my diamond brush to the parts that don't feel smooth anymore. Maybe they got tangled during the styling process, but if I let them this way, then it will cause frizz during the drying process. So this helps me to get frizz-free hair and really defines my curls. Actually, I'm 25 weeks now, and let me tell you a secret, it will be a girl. So now I plop my hair in a shower cap, and if you want to know more about this method, you can click the link in the description. I will link it to a video in which I will explain more about it. For more volume, I like to diffuse, but if you love air drying, don't worry, it will give you great results as well. For me, air drying gives me a bit less volume, but even more definition, so please do what works best for your curls. Now that my hair is dry, I use a bit of the leave-in and the cream gel to define the curls that got a bit frizzy during the drying process. To make it even more slippery, I add a tiny bit of water to the mix in my hands. My curls are really soft and moisturized, and I think it is because I used a cream gel instead of a hard hold gel that I have so much more volume than I normally have. I am really happy with this voluminous but yet defined curls. So ready for summer.
Oh. Well, as you can see, the sun is shining, and I just gave my hair a little trim. Dankjewel, klok. Kut klok.